you sell stock from equity compensation, let's go over 5 things to know. First, when you sell that stock immediately at vesting, exercise, or purchase, it's a mistake not to report the sale. You may be thinking, I don't need to report it because there's no additional sale proceeds beyond what's on your W-2. However, you still need to report the sale separately from the compensation income you've recognized elsewhere on your tax return. Otherwise, the IRS, it's going to send you a letter wanting you to pay taxes on the full amount of your sale proceeds. Second, the 1099-B from your broker that you received with the information on the stock sale, it's not going to fully report your tax basis. The tax basis is that number that you subtract from the sale proceeds to determine the size of your gain or loss. The basis is going to be too low and you're at risk of overpaying your taxes. That's because the 1099-B can only report what you paid for the stock, not the other taxable income. This means that you have to make some adjustments on Form 8949 where you're reporting the sale, and then that number, it feeds Schedule D to fully report the stock sale. Third, when you have a tax-qualified ESPP, even when you've held the shares long enough to get that special tax treatment and it requires 2 years from enrollment and 1 year from the purchase date, you're still going to recognize some small amount of ordinary income, with the rest being long-term capital gains. Fourth, when you exercise incentive stock options, ISOs, and you've held those shares through that calendar year of exercise and it's triggered the AMT, when you sell that ISO stock later, make sure you report that sale also separately on that Form 6251 that you use to report the AMT. That way you're going to get back your tax credit that the AMT generated. And fifth, make sure that you talk with a CPA or an enrolled agent that's experienced with stock compensation. Also see the tax center on myStockOptions.com. It has annotated forms and diagrams, and it provides you with some additional guidance to help you. Thank you.